Where Do These Animals Live? A story by Bruce Larkin. Where do these birds live? They live in a nest. Where do these ants live? They live in an anthill. Where do these rabbits live? They live in a hole. Where do these bats live? They live in a cave. Where do these fish live? They live in a pond. Where do these spiders live? They live in a web. Where do these people live? They live in a house.